Do you find yourself stuck, struggling just to put an outfit together? This can be the perfect time to look into your basics. A button-down shirt will always remain a versatile wardrobe staple that can be styled in numerous ways. Let's dive straight into the chic, timeless, casual, and elegant button-down shirt styling ideas. Hello to all my Revolutional sisters out there. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel where we talk about girls talk, femininity, self-worth, discovery, and love motivation. The best part about the button-down shirt is that you might already own it in your wardrobe, but if you don't, here are some tips to look for when buying. So opt for a boxy, slightly oversized, also a thick enough that you cannot see your bra. Also make sure that to keep your shirt crispy clean and iron. Tip number 1, it will be paired with a blue denim jeans. To achieve that classy, effortless, elegant lady look, this will be a perfect way to go. Some straight leg or wide leg jeans can pair perfectly well, also creating a more sophisticated silhouette. For that relaxed yet polished vibe, go for a fringy tag with a high-waisted jean. You can also add a leather belt to define your waist and finish off the look by adding some classy loafers or ballet flats, or maybe pointed heels depending on the event or the occasion that you'll be attending. Also not forgetting a structured total bag and some oversized sunglasses will also help in elevating this look further. Perfect for casual day out. Tip number 2, it will be wide-legged pants. Pair your white shirt with some high-waisted pants in neutral tone, adding a belt to accentuate your waist, and not forgetting some pointed toe heels to elongate your legs, and also refining the look while keeping the accessories at a minimum. Think of a classic watch and some simple studded earrings, and there you go, you're ready to conquer the day with more confidence by simply following the simple styling tips. Number 3, it will be paired with mini skirt or maxi skirt. To transform your white button-down shirt, pair with a sleeky satin skirt or a pleated skirt, taking in your white shirt into your flowy satin or pleated skirt for that chilled, classy yet romantic look. This can be ideal for different occasions. Not only does it exude a polished, attractive feminine aura, but looks very classy and timeless. You can choose to pair the outfit with strappy heels and some clutch for that glamorous finish. Tip number 4, it will be paired with fitted blazer. To achieve their utmost ultra sophisticated vibe, pair your white button-down shirt with your fitted blazer, choosing in neutral colors such as your black, navy, gray fitted blazer. For that relaxed yet classy, timeless look, it is important to visit the tailor should you need to for that a greater fix when it comes to your blazer in order to accentuate your body well and become more refined. Tip number 5, it will be a silk scarf. A silk scarf is a luxurious accessory made from silk, a natural fiber with a smooth texture, not only smooth but also soft and elegant sheen. Silk scarf has the potential to serve as both practical and decorative purpose. Pairing a silk scarf with your button-down shirt can create such a timeless and an elegant look. Let's look at how you can actually achieve that timeless, elegant look with those simple tips. Fold the scarf into a long, tiny stripe and tie it neatly around your neck, more like a tie. Also, let the ends hang loosely for a pastoral vibe, or you can choose to tuck them into your shirt for that polished look. And when it comes to choosing the scarf, choose a scarf with a bold colors or pattern to construct the simplicity of the white shirt. Tip number 6, it will be paired with a fitted cashmere sweater. For those cooler weather, layer your button down under that cozy sweater, letting the collar and the cuff to peek out. For that preppy polished touch, you can choose to pair it with some pleated mid-skirt and some ankle boots for a warm yet classy stylish outfit, or some skinny jeans and some well-fitted clean white sneakers for that casual, warm yet polished and refined look. Tip number 7, it will be styled in monochromatic. So as we already know that nothing screams elegant quite like a monochromatic look. Style your white shirt with matching white trousers for that clean, sophisticated aesthetic. Also, opt for neutral tone in accessories such as neutral tones of bags and some belt.
No matter what you've been through, no matter what you've done, or no matter what's been done to you, that you are worthy and you are lovable and you're going to be okay and you will get through. And you know what? You not only get through, you probably be even better than you were before. If God has allowed it, then you will come through it.
Thank you so much, ladies, for staying tuned up until this point. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. As usual, my videos are meant to entertain and inspire. If you like this type of content, please don't forget